My name is Dasha, and today we will multiply in a column. How to multiply in a column? Very simple. Follow my manipulations. Multiply 3 by the last number, so we get 6. Then multiply the last number 3 by the first number, you get 3. This is the first line for us. Put a 6, you can put a dash, you can put a 0. Whatever you want. And multiply 4 by 2, it will be 8. Multiply 4 by 1, there will be 4. Draw the final line and add it to the columns. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 8, 11. We write alone, 1 in our minds. 4, there's nothing here, plus 1, 5. 516. But how can we multiply if we have 0 in one of the numbers? For example, 34 to 50. When we multiply by 0, we have 0. It turns out 0 by no. 0 by 4, 0 by 3 will be 0. Next column, next line, 5 by 4. We put 0 because we have 22 in our minds. 5 by 3, 15, plus 2, 17. Zero, 0, 7, 1, 1700. Now for an even more complicated example. 58 multiplied by 99. Large numbers. We will add a lot in our heads. 9 by 8, 72. We write 2, 7 in mind. 9 by 5 is 45, but we add 7 to 52. Next line. As you guessed, it's going to be the same there because we've got 99. Also 9 to 8, 72. We write 2, 7 in mind. 9 by 5, 45, plus 7, 52. 2 add 2 plus nothing will be 2. You can put a dash, you can put a 0, you can put nothing. For example, I usually don't bet anything. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 2, 7. 5.